group's project, our energy source is wind. When talking about wind, there are three main words that you should know. That's windmills, greenhouses, and wind farms. Windmills are machines that convert energy into the wind and rational energy by the vanes called sails and blades. Greenhouse gas, a gas that in the atmosphere that absorbs and emits radiation within a certain range. And wind farms are a group of wind turbines in the same location used to produce electrical power. How that energy source works is when the wind presses against the windmill's blades, it sends energy through the blades into a shaft. The shaft runs down to a generator. From the generator is where everything gets sent out to the homes and all of the cities that powers everything.
When did wind power first begin to be used? In 1887 by Professor James Blyth, who built a cloth-sailed wind turbine to generate electricity for his summer cottage. By the mid-1920s, the first wind farms were present in America. In the mid-1970s, the U.S. Department of Energy funded a project to develop utility-scale turbines because of the increasing demand for energy.
When was it ever popular? It is the nation's fastest growing source of alternative energy. It is used in 76 countries worldwide and growing because private companies and governments are pushing for it to be used.
Disadvantages. Some disadvantages are that studies show that wind turbines generate more power at night, when usually more power is needed during the day. We would have to store the energy, which would take more room on the land and would be more expensive. We would also have to find a place to put the turbines where they would not be dangerous to birds and other migratory species.
Advantages. There are concerns about losing land that is used to cultivate crops. Energy companies rent farms and pay the farmers for the land, and crops can be safely planted around the base of the turbine.
How is it used worldwide? More than 120,000 megawatts have been installed in 76 countries worldwide. Germany is ranked second overall behind the USA. Wind energy is now the leading source of green energy in the world.
Statistics. 89% of Americans think wind energy is a good idea.
Wind energy should be used as a major source of energy in America because we will always have wind. Crops can still be grown safely at the base of the wind turbines, and a single turbine can displace more than 2.5 million pounds of CO2 per year. Wind energy would be good for America to use as a major energy source.